Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the seat lid assembly, including both the toilet lid and toilet seat. Support the base with one hand. Then pull the entire assembly upward with force. The seat lid assembly will loosen and separate. Once loosened, gently open the lid to reveal the connecting cables and water hoses. Disconnect all cables and hoses. After all connections are detached, you can remove the entire assembly from the toilet ceramic body. Next, we disassemble the seat lid assembly. The mounting screws are located on both sides of the cover. Hidden under decorative pads, remove the decorative pads to reveal the screws underneath. Do the same on the opposite side. After removing the screws, detach all clips securing the assembly. There are also cables between the mainboard and the cover. These must be disconnected. Lastly, disconnect the ground cable. And the cover and base can now be separated. After separating the seat lid assembly, bring over the base. Next, we are going to replace the dryer component. First, loosen all the screws securing the dryer. Once loosened, you'll notice its connecting cables, including those for the fan motor and the mica heating element, are connected to the main board. These connectors are located here on the main board. After loosening the dryer, we need to loosen the screws securing the main board as well. Once the board is loose, gently pull the cables to locate the corresponding connectors on the board. The connectors are here and here. Go ahead and unplug them. If you encounter waterproof sealing glue, gently peel it off to unplug the cables. Now the entire dryer component has been removed. After receiving the new fan and dryer component, the first step is to route the cables properly. If you'd prefer to thread the cables back underneath the mainboard, that's perfectly fine. You can also install it in this location. Or, if you don't want to do that, you can also connect them directly from the top of the board. Either method works, as long as the cables are not pinched or obstructed. In this demonstration, we will route the cables under the mainboard, feed the cables through the bottom of the board and make the connections. Then, organize the cable bundle. Snap the mainboard's cable clips back into place and tighten the screws securing the board. Next, tighten the 3 mounting screws for the dryer component. Once installation is complete, check that all cables are secure. If everything looks good, reassemble the cover and base, and finally reinstall it onto the toilet ceramic body. After completing repairs, reconnect all cables to the mainboard. Ensure cables are properly inserted. Reinstall base and cover. And tighten the screws. Reinstall the full assembly onto the toilet ceramic body. Start by placing the seat lid assembly back onto the ceramic body. Find the corresponding connectors and reconnect all cables. All cables are directional. Match arrow to arrow on each connector. Next, route the power cable through the bottom. Then pull the water inlet hose from below and connect it to the seat lid assembly. Tighten the hose using a wrench if needed. After connecting all cables and hoses, tidy up the cables and position the connectors properly. Once everything is organized, tuck the cable bundle into place. Then close the lid and press down to snap the clips into place.